bike. ये रनिंग टैब ऑर्डर क्यों हमेशा चलते रहता है? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know already by my title that what I'm going to do in today's video, and I just took a shower. Okay, so I have washed my hair today. As you can see, it's totally wet, and I have washed my hair with this shampoo. It's for dandruff. As you can see, in winter most of us suffer from massive dandruff, and it causes massive hair fall. So that's why for daily basis I'm using this shampoo. Even in my previous video I have recommend this shampoo. If you haven't watched that video, please go watch this video. And yeah, this is like holy grail for us who suffer from massive dandruff. So yeah, it's a very good shampoo. This shampoo doesn't make your hair rough, so that's why I use this. And for conditioner, today I have used this one by Mother Sparsh, as I am running out of my conditioner, which is by Mamaearth Onion Hair Conditioner. This is my favorite, like my most favorite conditioner. It just changes my hair texture so well. I love that conditioner. As I am running out of this, so that's why today I have used it. This is very average and not bad, good. I have nothing to say bad anything about this conditioner. Oh, this is also onion conditioner. And for now I love to apply hair serum, which is by Khadi Herbal Khadi Natural, and I am using this hair serum since 3 years now. Yeah, or more than 3 years. Yeah, more than 3 years. If you trust me, then this one is amazing. It's okay. So yeah, I love to take this much. Yeah, and now I'm going to warm it up between my two palms. And yeah, and then like this I am doing this because I will apply like this. That's why it will help you to spread all over your hair. So yeah, this trick you can follow. So yeah, I am done applying hair serum. Next I need to dry my hair, but I don't use any blower because it will damage your hair more. That's why I ignore this part, and I like to dry my hair naturally. So between all these things, until it gets dry, I will do some work like they glow up. So my hair is almost dry. As you can see, it will take more 15 minutes or 30 minutes to dry out my full hair. So yeah, and as you can see, this is my actual hair texture. So it's a little bit wavy, not that smooth, not that straight. So yeah, I am okay with it because my hair used to be like very rough. So yeah, nowadays my hair texture is better than before. And as you can see, my hair cut, you can't see the actual hair cut. So few months ago I have done my haircut. As you can see, I love that. But when I do my straight, pin straight, it looks amazing. And for your reference, my haircut is locked. मुझे थोड़ा shoot भी करना है, तो तब तक मैं अपना makeup कर लेती हूँ. Then I will do my hairstyle. Ta-da! So yeah, I am done with my makeup. So I have done very minimal makeup and subtle. I love this kind of makeup which is very minimal and basic. This kind of makeup looks very healthy, that you are glowing from inside. Now I have to start that how I style my hair, which is very basic, not that fancy, but most of the time I do this. So yeah, let's get into the video. For straighten my hair, I use this one. It's by Phillips. It's a very oldie, and I got this like 5 years ago, and still I have this with me. So before styling my hair, I would love to reapply the hair serum. And where is it? So before styling my hair, I would reapply the hair serum so that it can help me to get damage from this heat. As you can see, my hair is like fully wavy now. So final hair look, and it takes 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes you can this kind of hair texture and hair look. Just let me know if you love this kind of poker straight. I am fully satisfied with my hair look. It's look very shiny and glossy, and I love this. You don't need to visit any salon to get this look. You can do this by yourself only. And most of the time I love very subtle and sleek hair styling. It feels very soft and healthy. I know hair straightening से hair damage होता है, but at the same time if you take care of your hair very well, like oiling your hair, applying hair mask, and in a regular basis applying conditioner and hair serum, all of these things you have to keep in your mind. So I love this kind of look. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you love this video and found this video very helpful. So if you love this kind of videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Also comment down if you want more this kind of videos, then I will love to make this video for you guys. So till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye.